Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Tiller Money to your broker data feeds, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Tiller Money account. Navigate to the dashboard after logging in. Find the connect option on the left sidebar and click on it. Scroll down to find the section titled Broker Data Feeds. Click on Add a Data Feed. Select your broker from the list. If your broker is not listed, check for any available integrations. Follow the prompts to enter your broker account credentials. Ensure you are entering the correct username and password. You may need to complete a two-factor authentication if prompted. Once authenticated, review the permissions Tiller Money will have. Confirm any permissions by clicking on Allow or Continue. Tiller Money will then start fetching data from your broker account. Watch for any notifications indicating the connection is successful. If you encounter any issues, double-check your credentials. Visit the support page for troubleshooting tips if necessary. Once connected, you can return to your dashboard. Here, you will see your broker data integrated into Tiller Money. Set up any desired budget categories for this data. You can now track your investments and transaction history effortlessly. Periodically monitor the connection to ensure it remains active. If needed, reconnect or update your credentials through the Connect section. This process will help streamline your financial planning with real-time data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.